My name is Jacinta Maina from University World Agency. We as the agency, we are going to host a Lake Region Mathematics Workshop which will be held at Nyabururu TTC in Kisii. The event will happen from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
We'll be providing the following materials: certificate, writing materials, and lunch.
The theme of this workshop is to equip teachers with skills that will enable students to acquire favorable grades according to NEC requirements, thereby helping them to secure their chosen careers.
The facilitators are Mr. Bernard Obonyo, who is a senior examiner and also the author of Spark Mathematics Revision Book, and Mr. Freddy Corraro, who is a senior examiner and also the author of Conceptualized Mathematics Revision Book.
And registration by 24th, you are guaranteed of a free revision book.
The registration for the workshop will be 2,500 shillings only per teacher, and the payment should be done strictly via M-Pesa till number 9643075 by 4 p.m. on 24th of March.